Hi, good morning everyone. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Right. So we're here in Lower Antipolo. Meron tayo ditong for sale na duplex. Okay. So ito yung parking space niya. Good for 2 SUVs. Then, yan, yung may puti na yan is good for storage po. Right. Pasok tayo sa loob. So kung papansin nyo, naka-digital lock po siya. Okay? Ito yung buong ground floor. Right. So dito muna tayo punta sa ating service area. With the mid quarter. Yung mid quarter may sariling toilet and bath na po. Okay, so ito yung ating service area. Maid's quarter with toilet and bath. Okay. So ito may kasama na rin siyang cooktop and range hood. Okay, meron tayo ditong powder room for visitors. Right. Naka tayo sa ating second floor. Ganda ng steps. Okay, hindi siya matataas. First bedroom dito sa ating second floor. Pakita ko yung space niya with built-in cabinet and split type aircon na po. Okay? Ayan. Dito tayo sa ating second bedroom dito sa second floor. Maganda space ng bedrooms actually. Yan, may split type aircon na rin siya. Meron tayong common toilet and bath para dyan sa 2 bedrooms. Kasi yung master natin, meron naman po sariling toilet and bath with walk-in closet. Alright, so syempre, may split type aircon din. Okay, so ito yung space. Right. Then may balcony. So ito yung kanyang balcony. Dito yung ating walk-in closet. And yung kanyang toilet and bath. Okay. Toilet. Then ito yung shower area with shower enclosure na rin po. Alright. Again, walk-in closet niya. Alright, so yung full details, ipopost ko kasama po ng aking contact detail dito sa video. Alright, hihingi lang po ako ng updated. Baka magkabali ako sa presyo, baka mag-abono ako. Yan. So, that's all. Again, Lower Antipolo po ito. Okay? Near SM Masinag. Alright? So again, my name is Vin from NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.